Hello, my name is Mrs. Wiltshire and I'm Subject Leader for Geography at Cowes Enterprise College. I'm going to guide you through just a short video to help you think about why you might choose Geography as part of your option choices as you move and progress through the school into Year 10 and Year 11. So hopefully by using this presentation today, you'll be able to make some informed choices about what the subject involves, understand how you're going to be assessed and whether it's going to be something that you would like to pursue during your remaining time at Cowes Enterprise College. As you can see on this first slide, very much I'm talking about the importance of geography, and in geography the subject specialists who teach at GCSE level very much are passionate about their subject matter, and we firmly believe that by studying geography it's going to help you make sense of the world around you. We believe that it's really important as part of the balanced curriculum, and it's going to help you make sense of the human and physical interactions that we have with the environment and help us prepare for the future. As you can see on this one here, this is just a quick overview of the topics we study. It also indicates the themes that travel through with us at GCSE. Some of these themes you've studied before in depth, some things will be new for you, but there's also the assessment opportunities are identified as well. So you will be checked, your learning will be checked as you move through the course, in order for you to understand your progress and for you to work on how you may make any improvements you need. 10 reasons then for you to choose GCSE Geography. The first one is that we will study 3 exam papers. The first one is Global Geographical Issues, and it will give you the opportunity to build on some of your understanding from Key Stage 3, so some of your understanding about tectonic hazards and to think about tropical storms, but to look at them in greater depth. To also think about studying cities in depth and to have an understanding of what the human world around us is like in terms of looking at India as an emerging country, but also we study a range of megacities with a particular focus on Mumbai to consider these global geographical issues that are so important in the world around us. This paper makes up 37.5% of your overall GCSE. Paper 2 is where we have a bit more of a focus on the UK geographical issues, and this is when we will look at the physical landscape and the human landscape, and fieldwork opportunities are an important part of that. So a coastal fieldwork study and also a study of a dynamic UK city will inform our learning about what is taking place in the physical landscape, in rivers and coasts, but also in the human landscape, looking at urban and rural areas. Again, paper 2 is worth 37.5%. Paper 3 is where we can really start to think about some of the issues that we experience in the world around us. And this is where you'll also be asked to make a geographical decision. This is when you'll be looking at key information surrounding people in the biosphere, forests under threat, and consuming energy resources. And these 3 topics together interlink, and therefore you will explore the connections between these topics. And as part of this, you'll be asked to write an extended answer to explore your opinion about what should be done next. Reason number 4 then is the exam questions have very clear expectations, and you will have looked at some expectations even during your time studying geography in Year 9. The questions have a consistent layout, a consistent pattern in terms of the mark scheme, and that helps us and helps you in order to understand what's expected of you when it comes to exam questions. Reason number 5 then is to think about the fieldwork and research skills. So you will undertake 2 examples of fieldwork, but there'll also be times where we'll be asking you to look at different examples in depth and to use different research skills, using a range of sources of information to support you. But fieldwork skills are an integral part of the GCSE. In terms of feedback, at the end of the course and at the end of your time at Cowes Enterprise College, you will leave with a whole host of qualifications. And during your progress throughout the course, we will give you feedback. We will support you when we have end of topic tests, when we have mock exams. We'll support you with personalised learning checklists, and we'll support you even when you're doing your revision, helping you with critical learning point checks to make sure have you understood the key things that you need to know that are fundamental for you to do extremely well in your exams. Reason 7 then is the chance to find out about new topics. So we start to explore things in greater depth than perhaps we've done at Key Stage 3. So things looking at London, for example, looking at Mumbai, considering examples beyond just the Isle of Wight. So comparing Isle of Wight coastal management and coastal features with those features around the UK. But also when we're looking at hazards or we're looking at issues like climate change, we'll look beyond just what does it mean for the UK. We will think about our broader global context as well. Reason number 8 is the support for your exams. Very early on, we will start looking at exam questions so you can build confidence and you can build your skills. We use things like structure strips, we use bump. We will help you think about timelines and organising your revision study time so that you can maximise your achievement. And these things will happen right from the words go when we're studying your GCSEs, so that you can build confidence and you can make sure that the achievement is the best that it can possibly be for you. And then reason number 9 is we can think about the diverse skills. It might be that geography as an option is integral to your future, but also you might think about the skills that you'll develop that might lead you into other career paths. So I've just made a list here of various skills that geographers build up over time, so you can think about how geography might help you become more employable in the future, depending on what you want your future career or careers to be. And then lastly, reason number 10 is that we use a wide range of resources. You've already seen that during your teaching already at Cowes Enterprise College in your geography lessons, but we'll continue to access a range of resources to support you in lessons. We also have a range of revision materials that are available for you to use in lessons, so everybody has access to a revision book, for example, and that means that you are best equipped in order to do your utmost in the exams. So hopefully this presentation's helped and given you a bit of an overview. If you've got any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact your current geography teacher or myself, and my email address is on the presentation. Good luck with making your option choices, and best of luck for the future. Thanks very much then. Bye bye.